Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another cryptocurrency video. This time is going to be about Binance Beginner's Guide. I would like to welcome you. First of all, I would like to say I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I claim to be one. Make sure you do your own research from multiple sources. Don't just take my word for it. Having said that, let's get right to it. So this is Binance. It's one of my favorite crypto exchange for beginners. And you can buy all kinds of cool altcoins in this website. But first, what you need to do is register an account. And I'm going to put a link below on this video. And you are welcome to use my link below. And that will actually support this channel, although it's not necessary. You being here and watching this video is greatly appreciated, and I thank you. So let's get right to it. So when you register an account, you put your email address, your password, and confirm your password. And this is my invitation ID. You're going to click agree, and then you're going to click on register. Once you do that, I like Binance because you don't have to put in your ID or your last four numbers of your social security number. It's basically they let you do anonymous exchange if you're doing under 2 Bitcoin transaction. And that's really cool. Unlike Coinbase, for those of you guys that live in the United States and you have a wallet, Coinbase is a really good wallet to start with. And they ask you like 99 questions, right? And with Binance, you don't have to do any of that as long as you're doing transactions under 2 Bitcoin. So once you log in, it's going to look like this. Now, what I do recommend is you set up a two-factor authentication. And since we don't have an Asia phone number, what you need to do is download an application on your App Store. If you have iOS or Android, it supports both. And you're going to download Google Authentication. That's what you're going to type in. And once you download that, you're going to add Binance to that, and it's going to give you these series of numbers that change every 10 to 15 seconds, and they constantly keep changing. And once you open that application, you're going to type in the number that appears on your phone before it changes again. I highly recommend that. So once you're in, this is the interface. This is what it looks like. I am at level 1, meaning I can do withdraw limit to BTC, to Bitcoin. And that's a lot because, you know, right now Bitcoin's around 11,000. It might change once you watch this video, but that's the total withdrawal limit in 24 hours. So I'm at level 1. If you want to do a larger amount withdrawal, level 2, you're going to have to submit your identification. So right now I don't have that set up. I did submit it and I got rejected, but then I realized like, well, why am I gonna fill this paperwork out if I'm not even doing that many transactions? But those of you who are rolling deep with money, you have that option here. So this is what the platform looks like. Once you sign in, I'm unverified, meaning I'm not a level 2, I'm a level 1. And when you use your exchange, if you use their coin, Binance coin, you get to have a discount at 50%. So every transaction that you do has a fee, and we'll go over those fees in just a moment. So once you're in, you're going to go to the exchange platform. You're going to and hit on the exchange, hit basic. So this is what the platform looks like. Now in Binance, you can actually transfer any altcoin or Bitcoin currency that is supported in this platform. So how you do that is, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your funds and you're going to go to balances. Here in balances, you're able to deposit any coin that you wish that is supported in this platform, Binance. So this gives you the list, and here is the coin TRX Tron, and this is how much balance I currently have, available balance. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit deposit. So any coin, you can deposit it here with your address. Now the list goes on and on and on. So you can see here, once you deposit any altcoin, you can actually trade it in for Bitcoin. Or you can also, if you go back to exchange and basics, you can actually see the type of coins it is supported in order for you to do your transaction. So here you're going to take a look. When you transfer either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, or US Tether, these are your 4 basic coins that you can do your exchanges. once you have your exchange. So you can do it numerous ways. If you have an altcoin and you don't want it anymore, you would like to purchase another altcoin, what you can do is transfer it here, exchange it for Bitcoin. You're gonna hit a sell and they're gonna give you back Bitcoin. Once you have your Bitcoin, then you can buy some other altcoins. Or if you are on Coinbase, you're gonna log in. So once you are on Coinbase, if this is the platform that you use, it doesn't matter which wallet you're using. If you're gonna transfer your coins, it's the same protocol. So you're gonna go on your view accounts, and this is where you have your Bitcoin. And remember, your 4 exchange bases are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and US Tether. So say, for example, the popular one is Bitcoin. You're going to go and transfer your Bitcoin to Binance. And what you're going to do is when you are in your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet, you're going to hit send. And when you hit send, it's going to say enter the BTC address. Well, where is that at? You're going to go to funds and you're going to go to balances, and that's where you're going to be able to pull out your Bitcoin. Hit the Bitcoin, you're going to scroll down, and there's 2 sections. You're going to see deposit and you're going to see withdrawal. So what are you trying to do? You're trying to deposit Bitcoin. So you're going to hit the deposit. That's the address that you need to send your Bitcoin to. So what you want to do is highlight that, right click, copy, go to your Coinbase. You're going to paste that address there, and then you can write a little memo, and then you're going to hit continue. It's going to ask you how much Bitcoin do you want to send max, which is all of this. And remember that the network fee is going to be $5.64. Wow. Okay, that's a lot. So, and the total amount, that's how much Bitcoin you're going to receive in Binance. And then you're going to hit continue. Actually, I don't want to send coins, so I'm not going to do that. So it's cheaper if you actually use Ethereum, and it's a lot quicker. So I would recommend, if you have some Ethereum, go ahead and send some Ethereum to Binance, because not only is it cheaper, the transaction is a lot faster than Bitcoin. So once you do that, you are ready to buy some coins once you have your funds. So if you want to do Ethereum instead of Bitcoin, then what you're going to do is find Ethereum on the platform exchange. And if you can't find it, all you got to do is hit Ethereum right here, type it in, it'll pop up. But I see it right here, Ethereum. Go to deposit, get the address, it's an OX. You're going to copy that, and you're going to paste it here where it says send, but it won't let me because I have a 0 balance. So the same idea. So now you are ready to buy your first altcoin. Now the easiest way to do it, if you don't want to deal with this, is doing it through a market order. So what you're going to do is put the market order here. You're going to type in right here if you're going to buy with Ethereum or with Bitcoin, whichever one you're using, and you're going to type in what you want to buy. And for example, you want to buy some Tron, and like, wait a minute, it's not popping up. So I recommend that you have this website open, marketcap.com open, and I'll put a link below so you know what I'm talking about. This is a great website. It gives you everything you need to know by what these coins are doing. So for example, if you want to buy some Tron but you don't know the prefix of the Tron, you can click here, and this is the code symbol, so TRX. So what you're gonna do is since Tron didn't come up, you can go TRX, and it's right here. Another cool thing about this website is if you are in Tron, you're gonna go to the markets. Markets will tell you where you can buy and exchange this type of coin. And look, number 1 is Binance. So Binance, you can exchange and buy altcoin Tron with BTC, Bitcoin. So now we're gonna hit Bitcoin. You can also buy with Ethereum, but since you want to buy with Bitcoin or Ethereum, just hit whichever one you want to buy it with. And if you want to buy that, click on that, and then you're ready to buy, and you're gonna buy it at the market value. So you're gonna hit what amount you want to buy. Do you want to buy 20% of your funds, 50% of your funds, 75% of your funds, or you want to go all in? And this is how much your Bitcoin balance is. So then you're going to hit buy, and that's going to give you, you're going to buy Tron at the current market value here on Binance. The price you're going to pay is 0.0000654 Bitcoin. And if you just put your cursor right here, it's 7 cents in US dollars. Now, I do want to mention something with Binance. You say you don't have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coins, or US Tether. Well, can I put in fiat money? Now, fiat money, deposit fiat currency, Binance says Binance does not support any fiat currency, US dollars, JPY, etc., trades or transactions. Only cryptocurrency may be deposited and traded on our exchange. So keep that in mind, guys. Now, when you're ready to buy, if you want to know how much you're paying, you can just put here, put the cursor, it'll tell you you're paying 7 cents. That's this amount in Bitcoin. And that's how much you're going to be paying for each coin right now. Now let's take a look what the current. So it is right. It's correct. If you go to CoinMarketCap, it's about 7 cents right now. So that's how you know you're getting your money's worth. And if you don't want to pay that amount, say, okay, I want to wait when the price drops to 5 cents. So what you want to do is instead of doing a market order, you're going to do a limit order. And then you're going to tell that, hey, I don't want to pay this amount. I want to pay, that's 6 cents. I want to pay 5 cents. So if you put this amount, you put the cursor there, it's going to tell you, okay, I want to pay 5 cents. And then you're going to hit buy. And whenever the price drops, your limit order is going to get filled. So that's one way to do it. Now let's go over this platform exchange browser. You have your Tron BTC. This is all your selling orders. Down here, green is all your buying orders. So red means sell, green means buy. Over here, you have all your trading history, meaning all the buyers and sellers and what's currently being sold and bought right now. And this is your charts. So these are called candlesticks. Then so you can change these candles to a minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. Now when you hit 1 minute, that tells you the life of this coin, the purchase and orders within 1 minute time frame. You can also do it in 1 day, 1 week, so it goes on and on and on. So we can do it every hour to the minute. Now these lines are your exponential moving averages. Now here you also have your depth. This is all your sellers and these are all your buyers. Now I know this could be very intimidating and very confusing, but if you don't want to deal with any of this, all you have to do for a beginner, just hit that markets order and just buy like that. But this is just something to keep in mind once you feel more comfortable or ready to purchase with limit orders. Now over here is all the coins that you can buy with either BTC, Ethereum, Binance, and so on and so forth. Now another thing that we a lot of people ask is the fees. What are the fee structures on Binance? So to deposit coins in Binance is completely free, except when you're bringing your coin from Coinbase wallet, if you're transferring them out, they're going to charge you a fee. But to deposit them in Binance is completely free. Now, fee for trading, it is 0.1% trading fee when you trade. If you have Binance coins, however, and you're using Binance instead of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or US Tether, if you use that for trading, they're going to deduct 50% trading fee. And this is a temporarily as of today. So that might change once you watch this video. And so make sure you check this if it's still available. Fee to withdraw. Now, fee to withdraw, you want to click here. So how you get to fee to withdraw, you are in this exchange interface. What you're going to do is go to support. You're going to go to frequently asked questions, fee structure on Binance, and then you're going to click on the fee to withdraw. And this is all the withdrawal fees according to the altcoin. So Binance minimum withdrawal is 2 coins, and that's how much the transaction fee is going to be. Bitcoin is minimum is 0.002, and that's how much they're going to charge you in Bitcoin. Okay, and so on and so forth. So if you ever have a question how much they're going to charge you when you're withdrawing these coins, that's how you do it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can buy your first altcoin using Binance. If you have any questions or would like to cover anything in future videos, please make sure you comment. I'll be more than happy to cover any other future videos. Make sure you like this video, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. And also remember to fake it till you make it. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. We're in this together. Peace out.